grade 11th. I just want to remind you of something here. We are looking at functions, quadratic functions in particular. Quadratic function, we also call it a parabola. Ne? I have this y is equal to ax squared, y is equal to 2x squared plus 8x minus 10. It's written in this form, ax squared plus bx plus c. You have dealt with this with equations written in this form. You remember in term 1 when you were factorizing equations, that is in algebra, you factorized equations, you solved equations by factorizing and also by using the formula. Now, how did you get the formula? You completed the square to get that formula, minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. That is the formula that you got by completing the square. Now, to write this equation in this form here, y is equal to a bracket x plus p squared plus q. We complete the square on this one so that we get this one. And this one, remember, we have our turning points. Turning point from this will be minus p s2 q. That is our turning point, and then our vertical line of symmetry, our line of symmetry there, you get it where x is equal to minus p here, and then this one, x1 and x2 are your turning points. So this can be written like this, it can be written like this. Let's do that. We want to complete the square on this one. Y is equal to, we need to first ensure that the coefficient of this x is a 1. So whatever you have here, you factor it out. So we have x squared, there is a 1 now. And then factoring out a 2 here, we have plus 4x, and here we have minus 5. And then from there, you need to add and subtract. You add half of this one, which is squared, that is 2 squared, and then you subtract the same thing, 2 squared, and then there is minus 5, close the bracket. So we have 2 bracket. This has to be factorized. If you factorize it, we have x plus 2 squared there. And then simplify this one, we have minus 4 plus 5 is minus 9. Bring back the 2 inside the bracket, we have 2x plus 2 squared, and then 2 times this, we have minus 18. It is now in this form, and then writing it in this form, we factored out 2 there, so we have y is equal to 2 bracket x squared plus 4x minus 5. This is going to be 2 bracket, factorize this one. We have x plus 5 and x minus 1. So y is equal to 2 bracket x plus 5 and x minus 1. Now, this is 5 and 1. This is going to be negative 5 and positive 1. That is your x-intercepts. So this function can be in this form. It can be in this form. That is this one here. It also can be in this form, and that is that one. So you need to understand all 3 of them if you are doing quadratic functions. That's all I have for you now.